Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Ford Expedition Camper. A masterpiece of modern design and engineering, this camper sets new standards for comfort, versatility, and capability. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious, family-friendly living area that blends rugged practicality with upscale comfort. The materials are durable yet premium, featuring soft-touch surfaces, upgraded leather seating, and modern accent trims. The living room area includes a smart flat-screen TV, an immersive sound system, and wide windows to enjoy scenic views on every journey. The kitchen is fully equipped with essential appliances, including a compact induction cooktop, a dual-zone refrigerator, and a built-in water filtration system. The sleeping area features a comfortable queen-size bed, and the well-appointed bathroom includes a walk-in shower and high-quality fixtures to ensure you feel at home no matter where you travel. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Ford Expedition Camper is a true statement of adventure-ready engineering. With its bold, aerodynamic body and rugged camper shell, it handles the wind with ease, improving both stability and fuel efficiency. The exterior features a durable protective coating designed to resist scratches and harsh weather conditions. A large, power-operated awning creates the perfect outdoor living space, while the off-road alloy wheels and signature Expedition styling add a touch of sophistication. Built on a reinforced yet lightweight frame, the camper maintains excellent towing manners and vehicle stability. Every exterior detail is crafted with purpose, ensuring that this camper stands out whether you're deep in the wilderness or parked at a campground. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ford Expedition Camper is powered by Ford's latest 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine that delivers an impressive blend of power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising on highways or venturing off-road, this camper provides a smooth and confident driving experience. The engine works together with Ford's updated independent suspension system to absorb bumps and uneven terrain effortlessly. The camper is equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission that shifts seamlessly, offering the perfect balance between power delivery and fuel savings. Additionally, the Expedition Camper features advanced trail assist technology, making tight maneuvers, steep climbs, and narrow paths easier than ever. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Ford Expedition Camper is positioned as a premium adventure vehicle, and its pricing reflects the level of engineering and features it offers. With a starting price of around $120,000, it's designed for travelers seeking quality, comfort, and capability without stepping into ultra-luxury territory. This price includes the specialized camper conversion, advanced performance features, and Ford's well-established reputation for dependability. When you invest in this camper, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're choosing a lifestyle built around freedom, exploration, and comfort. To sum up, the 2026 Ford Expedition Camper is an impressive blend of innovation, performance, and everyday usability. It delivers a level of practicality and sophistication that stands out in the modern camper market. Whether you're planning long-distance adventures or weekend getaways, the Expedition Camper provides everything you need for an elevated travel experience. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.